Fantastic to be here today at the launch of Avela Developments' first scheme here at Burnage Close, where we'll be building 16 homes for affordable rent for South Liverpool. It's fantastic that the partnership between Avela and Penny Lane Builders has enabled us to create a joint venture development company which will really start to disrupt a market which is dominated by large housing developers.
It's really important for South Liverpool for a number of reasons. The first is obviously that we're providing new homes for people in our heartland in Speke. The other thing is it coincides with the government's announcement of putting £2 billion into providing extra affordable housing, and we're obviously really proud to be part of that. But the other significant thing is this is our first venture into actually developing our own homes by use of our partnership with Penny Lane Builders.
So for us it's an exciting opportunity to further develop and enhance a long-standing relationship between SLH and Penny Lane Builders. This vehicle will allow us to offer more employment and training opportunities to the local community, as well as extending the range of activity and services that we can offer to the group.
I think it's really exciting that we're going to be delivering this programme in this way, because of the way it ties into creating local employment, the way that it ties into bringing small and medium enterprise builders into the construction industry, which has been a real massive problem and a real drive that government's been keen for us to work at. And in terms of attracting more grant in the future, being able to demonstrate that engagement with the government's agenda will certainly be helpful.
Oh, it means a great deal for Speke. We're building 16 new 2- and 3-bedroom homes. We're providing new housing for people in housing need, which is well publicised.
Developments like this is exactly what the government is looking for, exactly what this neighbourhood really needs. And you know, in terms of the start of the relationship between Avela and South Liverpool Homes, it's a perfect start.
Obviously the announcement today from the government provides some certainty over the next 10 years for a funding programme, and Avela Developments from this launch today will really help generate the number of homes that this country needs. Ours will be a small part of it, but we're thrilled to be taking part in that opportunity.